CHZ essentially faces opposition at 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely enormous way. CHZ essentially acquired roughly 0.02% inside the very especially most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. CHZ, USD pair exchanging underneath the MA, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Chiliz sort of shows negative energy throughout the end of the week. Or so they essentially thought, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense in every way that really matters walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for entirely of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time essentially got clarification on pressing issues. What explicitly in every practical sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Chiliz generally is CHZ a pretty fundamentally wise venture, which generally is very huge in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz support and opposition levels and so on and in every way that really matters, significant way. In any case, prior to jumping essentially genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, fundamentally let us certainly generally discuss the very genuinely current economic situations, which in every practical sense essentially is very huge, which truly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the actually by and large last 24 hours. There in every practical sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1.06973065,872 in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, truly complete exchanging volume essentially all things considered, remains at $25,050,644,957, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they explicitly thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in an actually genuinely significant manner, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period in a extremely significant manner, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the kind of especially local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, which fundamentally is very huge, which explicitly is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market explicitly generally is going in a very descending bearing for momentary in an especially in every practical sense significant way in a quite large way. As of now, an extremely broad, certainly genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner in an essentially large way. Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to generally all things considered distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they explicitly thought in a genuinely enormous manner. Support in every way that really matters certainly is a level at which purchasers essentially all things considered become more reasonably certainly dynamic and in every way that really matters for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition especially generally is a level at which merchants most certainly become move in every way that really matters, especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely huge. Following entirely are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz is at 8 cents, up 0.02% in the of especially beyond 24 hours and truly has a value change of 13.13% over the course of the week, which explicitly especially is very huge, which truly is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is $20,241,297.00 while extremely in every practical sense. Complete market cap came to $617,338,130 USD in a genuinely enormous manner. There basically are practically 7,010,647,158 basically are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially most certainly has seen a value decline of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours incredibly. Chiliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a by and large certainly everyday time span generally fundamentally made sense of beneath in a fundamentally exceptionally enormous manner. Further appearance how similarly obstruction especially explicitly is a level at which dealers most certainly truly become move in every way that really matters. Beautiful dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize entirely relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including actually fundamentally straightforward moving commonly lovely normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to for the most part break down the future development of the Chiliz in a sort of large manner as a matter of fact. The genuinely relative strength record for CHZ coin for the most part certainly is as of now drifting at 28 for 14 days truly normal line, which essentially implies CHZ explicitly for the most part is in oversold zone and a pattern truly inversion explicitly by and large is conceivable, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Chiliz basically has sort of break all it's quite the most part upholds levels and things explicitly are not searching essentially in every way that really matters. Great for the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, for the most part sort of bears really are in charge of the market and effectively by and large sort of take CHZ cost underneath the significant help level of 17 cents, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The CHZ USD moving decently certainly normal union and disparity marker truly is showing a truly in every practical sense. Present moment especially all things considered. Sell especially truly signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath kind of all things considered. Signal line which certainly in a real sense implies explicitly in a real sense bears especially explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge, exhibiting how the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense for the most part walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for very 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly essentially explicitly clarified some pressing issues. What explicitly in a real sense is truly sort of transient cost expectation for Chiliz, sort of is CHZ a sort of wise speculation, which generally in a real sense is very critical, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. While CHZ's Williams % R pointer in every way that really matters is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly beautiful sign especially is fundamentally all things considered. Conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious way. And CHZ cost for the most part is moving in sideways bearing in a very enormous way, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The fight between the bulls and the in a real sense bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other heading, which actually truly is genuinely critical, or so they truly thought. Be that as it may, the financial backers are hanging tight for Chiliz to sort of fundamentally take a one-directional